Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Laurence.
And I'm Natalie.
And this is not Natalie, this is my nephew Devon. He's been in our videos before, but he's out here on vacation in Florida, and so we couldn't decide what to do. So the girls have gone off to do their thing, and we've gone off to do our thing. So naturally, we went and did something that you would totally expect us to do.
Yeah.
Do you know where we are?
See if we can guess.
Really makes me wonder.
So, today's episode, we are going our separate ways because everyone knows how much I love Disney World. I don't. So, but we need Devon to do Disney World because he hasn't done Disney World. So me and Steph thought we would go and do something a bit more fun. But in keeping with Disney, we decided to go drinking round New Smyrna. It's like drinking around the world, but in one place. So,
probably a bit cheap.
So the first place we're going to hit. Well, actually, we're going to do something fun first. Yeah, as you know, we love being on the river, so we are going to go do a little bit of paddle boarding around here. Apparently, there's dolphins to see, so we'll see what we can go see on the river. And then we're going to some tiki bar river deck or something.
Something like that.
Okay.
I don't know. I've mapped them all out. It's like a little proper little map.
Yes, it's the same.
Exactly the same.
So anyway, we'll go kayaking first, and then we'll be back to you.
Drinking around New Smyrna.
So we're doing this because Devon is not interested at all in any of this, and I've been here with Natalie and she hated all of it. I quite enjoyed it. So at the moment, Devon is just like, what are we doing?
Yeah.
So we're in Animal Kingdom right now, and we're just in the line for the Avatar ride, which was my favourite thing I rode when we were here a couple of years ago. So miserable Devon.
I have never been to any proper ride. I've been to like carnival things, occasional one or two rides, but
He's never had the experience. So anyway, that's miserable Devon. We'll come back after the ride and I'll show you either also miserable Devon or he'll have the time of his life. Right, Devon, so you were complaining about the wait and everything.
not.
So we went on the Avatar ride.
Yes,
What
we
did you
did.
think?
way better than I was expecting. Considering we didn't go anywhere, it was way better than I was
He even just said as we got off, he said, oh no, I didn't stop my Strava. And I'm like, because we flew all the way around here.
Yeah, no.
Anyway, I will say the Avatar ride is worth coming to Animal Kingdom. Bit disappointed, the safari is closed. But anyway, we're going to go find something else fun.
Yeah.
I wonder what the girls are doing.
Okay, so you're going to start with one window
I
down?
think I'm going to start this way. Watch this
Okay.
one. This is one window down.
Yes.
So it's very light.
I feel like this is going down in history. Steph taking one for the team
I really don't like this.
by getting rid of this one.
I mean, we could throw it away, right? But
No.
that would not be brazen of us.
No, absolutely correct.
Hideous beer. Done.
Right, well I think, Devon, we're having way more fun than them. And this isn't a Disney tour video, by the way. This is just, I thought you might be interested on what we do when the girls want to go do one thing and we do the other thing. So,
We're clearly doing better than them, so it's...
but Devon, overall, right, the Avatar ride was awesome.
Yeah, that was probably my favourite so far.
Yeah, then we did a dinosaur thing and then we did a roller coaster thing.
The roller coaster was a little bit terrifying.
Yeah,
That's
it was like an old school one.
Yeah.
And then we got some food and we obviously spent $40 on 2 burgers. So
Mine was
yeah,
better than Laurence.
but I think we're having way more fun than them.
Yeah.
Also,
Absolutely.
we've been making fun of each other with like penis jokes and stuff, so that's been fun
And
too.
we're totally sober.
so far.
So far.
We haven't hit Epcot yet. So anyway, anyone who knows about Disney, we've done Animal Kingdom. We did a few rides there. We kind of scooted around because we're going to try and do all 4 parks in one day. And now we're headed to Hollywood Studios. Is it Hollywood Studios? The movie one.
Yeah.
And also we have decided to drive between the parks instead of getting the monorails and stuff. So
It's going to be like an hour wait or something.
yeah, it was an hour wait, so we said we'll just drive. Anyway, we're going to get into Hollywood Studios. Back to the girls.
So, Natalie, we're at the Jimmy Hula's.
I was about to video you doing the same
Yeah, I
thing.
know.
I guess I should be in this video. Where are we? Jimmy Hula's.
Yeah,
We've gone for some mango margaritas.
we have.
I like the tiki glasses.
They're amazing.
I like the price.
Yeah,
$5, and we're in happy hour still.
we're in happy hour.
$5, but an extra $1 for the mango.
We didn't realise that, yeah, we planned this quite right. We're
We
literally going around each bar in happy hour.
Oh,
Spot on.
so we're
really.
doing this for cheap too.
You too. You can do this if you plan it, like we did. We did not plan this. Do it now, Steph. Me too.
Okay, where are we?
Jimmy
Hula's.
Done. So we have learned from Epcot though, and we did eat before we have started this, and we are drinking water. We're being very responsible. Be responsible if you'd like to do drinking round New Smyrna. We are starting to feel it though a little bit. Not gonna lie.
I mean, we're only what, 3 in? 2 in? 1 in? How many
Four.
are we even in?
Heading on to the next one.
Like I said, we're not doing a whole Disney thing, but Devon just went on the Star Wars ride. And how does it compare to one of your carnival rides that you've been on?
Right, I get it. It's better, much better. I was pre-warned about the drop they do in the Star Wars ride, and even still I forgot.
He forgot until he saw me grab the railing, and he was like, "Whoa!"
Yeah.
Anyway, so I think Devon's pretty happy, to be honest. Although it has just started raining, and he's going to buy me a drink, so we're going to go and look for a bar now.
It's our turn to get smashed.
Well, I'm pretty sure the girls are going to be smashed, so let's just flick over to them and see what they're doing.
Maple bacon bourbon, house-made Bloody Mary, spiked salt rim. I can't even speak anymore.
You know we have the
Sliced
distillery after this.
Bacon.
All right, we've gone away from the margaritas because they were getting a bit sweet, and we gone straight to prosecco.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yes,
Something light and sparkly.
That was a good choice.
Thank
And look, see, waters. We're being
Waters.
corkscrew.
Done.
Right, well, I have heard from the girls, Devon, and they're having a drink. I don't know if they videoed it, but you'll be able to tell in the video if they have or not. Well, so are we actually. So first of all, Devon got the coolest bottle of Coke ever. It was like $7 or something for like half a can, but that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then we spent an absolute fortune on, I got a tequila
And I got
green milk, and you got the rum blue
rum
milk.
and blue milk. $17 each.
$17 for one shot of tequila and some ice cream. Ice
Milk,
Ice
yogurt
milk.
thing. It's
Anyway.
nice.
But this whole, we've been walking around the Star Wars thing since we last video, and it's spectacular, isn't it? Like, it's really cool. I've been here before and I'm still as impressed as I was then.
It's hard for my mind to comprehend what's going on. It's all too big for me to understand.
It's amazing. They've done excellent.
So, we're pretty much done now. So we think that we know where our next stop could be. Wish us luck. A couple of IV drips. We'll be right as rain tomorrow.
We're going on another Star Wars ride now. There was no wait, so I don't think it's going to be very good. But so we're walking through now. We'll see. No wait at all, and the park's pretty busy. So.
Coconut rum. Yeah, right, that's smooth. I think the apple pie was a bit of a woo!
Vanilla rum.
Oh!
That's really nice.
Oh, okay. Let me try.
Devon wanted me to get B-roll of a squirrel, so that's in this video because Devon asked for it to be in the video. All right, we don't know what the girls are doing. Still don't know what the girls are doing. Probably it's quite late now, and so we are just wandering around Epcot. It's not really your thing.
It's okay. It's nice to see all the different places, but I've not come to eat and drink, so
We're not doing around the world this time. Sorry, guys. We do have that in the plans. Maybe doing that again. If not, I'll link a video up here. You can go and watch that. Yeah. So anyway, we are exhausted now. Well, I am exhausted. Yeah. And my hips hurt. Getting old. Just from all the walking. We've done about 20,000 steps, I'm going to guess. So.
yeah.
Anyway, so we're going to carry on walking around here. If we see anything great, then awesome. But I'm suspecting what the girls are doing. We're in Morocco right now. Not actually in Morocco.
I mean,
In Morocco, in Epcot. Yeah,
Pretend we are.
that's true.
We're in Morocco.
We're in Morocco.
We're in Morocco.
We're going to fly to China in a minute.
This was my mistake. You like the Fireball? The grown-up cinnamon whiskey?
Much nicer.
Really?
Much nicer.
Oh, should we buy some for the boys? No. They don't deserve it.
You've got so much alcohol for them already.
How do you think they're doing at their boys' day?
They're at Disney.
Couldn't get any worse, really, could it?
So Devon, you've just had your first sip of a margarita that you've never had before. This is from Mexico at Epcot. What do you think?
My brain is struggling to compute whether it likes it or not. It's like in a, I don't know.
It doesn't look like a margarita. I don't know what it is. I should have taken a picture of the menu or something. But yeah, they kind of threw a purple Dorito in it.
It's
But,
nice.
It tastes good. It looks like you're drinking water, but it's not. It's definitely full of tequila, but I don't know what it is.
I don't like tequila, but I like this. I drink this.
Really? Okay, good. Well done, Mexico. You win.
I like that you're just downing all the ones that are not your favourite. Get it over and done with.
Okay, so this one's the
Shark bite.
That's done. Vanilla rum.
So we're still Team Vanilla.
Very much vanilla. Now very much done.
Done.
Right, back to us. We are still in Epcot.
We are.
Devon has ordered something, a little gift for his brother, so we're hanging around waiting. So that's going to be cool. We'll put a little picture up here of what it looks like. So I'll overload that, by the way.
Okay,
The magic of
I was
editing.
hoping I was just going to push it onto your face.
Or that.
Okay, it's there.
So anyway, what did you prefer? Do you think we did right? We were going to go-karting or something.
Yeah, we were going to go to a Bob Ross museum,
Yeah, which
does sound
don't laugh. We love Bob Ross. So we were going to do that, and then we are going to go
We're gonna go
go-karting, and then we said, you know what? It's $200 for an all-day pass for everything Disney. So we got here early.
200.
Each, obviously. Less for me because I'm a Florida resident. And so anyway, so we decided to do that. We don't know what your mum and my mum did. We've been tricky. So anyway, so yeah, we'd be interested in what you would prefer. I kind of wish we went to go-karting a little
Yeah.
bit, but we had some
My
really
feet
cool
hurt.
rides. Yeah, we've done 27,000 steps today.
Yeah.
So
My watch
anyway.
is saying we've done 8.27 miles, but I think a lot of that was probably from rides. Where I
Yeah.
forgot to turn it off.
Yeah, shh, don't tell anyone.
No, we did 8.5 miles, guys.
We did 8.5 miles.
Yeah.
Anyway, so well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thanks button because Devon loves it when you do that.
It's my favourite thing.
And write in the comments whether you preferred our outing as some lads going to Disney, which is I know is a bit weird, or the girls' outing, or whatever they did.
Ours was better.
I suspect they went kayaking and then day drinking. We did way more than that.
We did fun rides and day drinking.
Yeah,
So much cooler.
yeah, so much.
And we saw Star Wars shit.
Yeah, well, you don't get any better than that.
No, I know.
Anyway, all right, we will see you soon.
All right, against Steph's wishes, we did go to the distillery.
I want to go.
She didn't know that that would be as a distillery. What were you expecting?
I don't know. I wasn't expecting hard liquor.
She wasn't expecting hard liquor.
No.
So,
And now we've drunk a lot of hard liquor. Moonshine.
that was a
What
good
is even this
moonshine,
thing?
though.
I've never had moonshine before.
Haven't you?
Never.
Oh, she's so British.
Oh. And apparently we found Fireball's educated
Cousin.
cousin
Cinnamon whiskey.
called Shark Bite.
Yes, that was good.
Yeah.
So I do recommend you go to Sugar Mill Distillery if you were in New Smyrna
Yes.
because they're just hilarious. I like the people there. I like the alcohol there. They are very nice people.
really
So if
nice
you're doing drinking round New Smyrna,
which
recommend-
everyone should.
which everyone should
Frankly.
recommend,
Yeah. Corkscrew and that place.
yeah,
What was it called again?
Sugar Mill Distillery.
Sugar Mill.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. I should have done that
Yeah,
before. Right, we're going to get back for the doggies now. So let's go excitedly see what the men were up to, and then I guess we'll call it a day.
I mean, we could always start again tomorrow.
We might, so we won't end it here. We'll see what they're up to.
Devon, wake up.